Learning, which by definition is a continuous process. Whether it is about acquiring proficiency in a spoken language, learning writing skills, or mastering coding to secure a job, the journey of acquiring knowledge is ever evolving. Back in the day, after completing my college education, I contemplated pursuing a coding career and believed it would take me a couple of years to learn how to code from scratch and then maybe learn Flutter. I thought that only then would I be able to enter the job market in the coding field. This is my personal story of how I embarked on my journey to become a Flutter developer. Looking back, I have to admit that the traditional approach I initially took wasn't as effective as I had hoped. Countless hours were spent watching lengthy courses and tutorials, hoping to master Flutter. However, I soon realized that the learning process wasn't as smooth sailing as I had imagined. But after spending countless hours of learning, I discovered that you can become a Flutter developer much faster by adopting a focused, hands-on learning approach with practical projects and engaging resources. Instead of only relying on lengthy courses, I learned how you can leverage concise tutorials, build real-world projects, and actively participate in the Flutter community to accelerate your learning journey. This video consists of 7 steps, and in each step you will learn different techniques of how you can become a proficient Flutter developer and get your dream job. We will cover how to start from the basics till you become a proficient Flutter developer and land your dream job. The first step is to lay the groundwork for your Flutter journey by mastering the basics of Dart, the language used in Flutter. Watching long courses without writing any code can be overwhelming and less effective. Instead, you can actively engage with Dart basics, covering variables, data types, objects, and functions, and also embracing the null safety. These building blocks are essential for every Flutter developer. To solidify your knowledge, put Dart into action. Create simple Dart programs like Simple Calculator, for example BMI Calculator, or some banking program where users can deposit and withdraw their amount. These projects may seem small, but they pack a punch in reinforcing your understanding and boosting your coding confidence. Next, it's the time for the step 2. First and foremost, familiarize yourself with basic widgets such as container, row and column, text, image, etc. These are the building blocks of Flutter user interfaces, enabling you to create stunning visual with ease. To learn, head over to the official Flutter documentation or explore beginner-friendly tutorials that demonstrate widget usage with practical examples. Next up is navigation, the art of smoothly moving between different screens in your app. Flutter offers various navigation options such as Navigator Push and Navigator Pop. To get hands-on experience, build a simple app with multiple screens and practice implementing different navigation techniques. As your app grows, managing its state becomes essential for smooth functionality. To grasp simple state management concepts, one popular approach is using setState, which allows you to update the UI when the app state changes. Now let's talk about packages. Flutter's extensive package ecosystem provides numerous pre-built solutions for various functionalities. To familiarize yourself with essential packages such as HTTP, DO, SQLite, explore the official Flutter website or GitHub repositories for popular packages and read through their documentation. Last but not the least, dive into the world of databases and APIs. You can learn about database integration and API usage through hands-on tutorial or even build your own projects that interact with web services. Now it's time to level up your Flutter journey by engaging with the vibrant Dart and Flutter communities. This step is all about connecting with fellow developers, seeking help and learning from the shared experiences. First and foremost, the official Dart and the Flutter documentation is a goldmine of knowledge. Here you will find in-depth explanations, examples, and best practices straight from the source. Next, I highly recommend exploring FreeCodeCamp, an incredible platform offering a plethora of Flutter-related content. From tutorials to real-world projects, FreeCodeCamp is an excellent place to expand your skills. If you are feeling up for a challenge, look no further than the 100 Days of Code Challenge. This community-driven initiative encourages developers to code consistently for 100 days, sharing their progress and supporting each other along the way. Additionally, you will find a wide range of online communities and forums where Flutter enthusiasts come together to discuss, learn, and grow. Platforms like Stack Overflow, Reddit's r/FlutterDev, and the Flutter Discord server are excellent places to ask questions, share ideas, and stay updated on the latest trends. As you gain confidence, it's time to roll up your sleeves and dive into real real-world projects. This step is all about putting your knowledge into practice, building hands-on experience, and creating a strong portfolio that speaks volumes about your abilities. Let's get started with some fantastic project ideas. How about building an Instagram clone? This project will challenge your UI/UX skills and give you a taste of building interactive features. Next, you can build a weather application, full stack e-commerce application, or maybe podcast application. Working on these real projects will not only deepen your understanding of Flutter, but also give you valuable experience in problem solving and project management. But here's the best part. Once completed, add these projects to your portfolio. Moving on to unlock advanced Flutter skills. In this phase, we will delve deeper into intermediate topics that will elevate your Flutter expertise to new heights. First up, let's explore state management, a crucial aspect of building scalable and efficient Flutter apps. Dive into Block, Provider, or Riverpod, popular state management solutions that will empower you to manage your app's data with ease. As your projects become more complex, debugging becomes your best friend. Learn debugging techniques to identify and fix issues quickly, ensuring smooth app performance. Next, let's talk about testing, a crucial practice to ensure the quality and reliability of your apps. Learn about writing unit and widget tests, making you a confident and reliable Flutter developer. Moving forward, explore databases like SQLite and Hive for local data storage in your apps. And mastering these databases will enable you to efficiently manage and persist your app's data. And now the power of Firebase integration awaits you. Discover Firestore, Firebase Cloud Messaging for notifications, and Firebase authentication. These features will take your app to the next level, providing real-time data, cloud messaging, and secure user authentication. By diving into these intermediate topics, you will become a well-rounded Flutter developer capable of handling complex projects and creating seamless user experiences. Now it's time to prepare yourself for job interviews and make a lasting impression on potential employers. To ace your interviews, start by practicing commonly asked Flutter-related questions and challenges. Brush up on topics like widget tree hierarchy, state management, and working with databases and APIs. You can find interview resources online, join mock interview sessions, or even seek guidance from experienced developers. Your portfolio is your ticket to showcase your skills and accomplishments. Update it with the real-world projects, highlighting your role in each project and technologies you used. A well-curated portfolio speaks volumes about your abilities and sets you apart from other candidates. As you prepare for job interviews, keep exploring, keep learning, and stay curious. The Flutter community is always here to support you, so don't hesitate to reach out for help and guidance. You have come a long way, and now it's time to take the next big step in your Flutter career. With confidence, determination, and your newfound expertise, you are well equipped to land your dream job as a proficient Flutter developer. This is the moment you have been waiting for. The moment to secure your dream job as a Flutter developer. You have come so far, and now it's time to take that leap towards an exciting career. Armed with your comprehensive knowledge, practical experience, and a strong portfolio, you are well prepared to impress potential employers. Don't be afraid to apply for positions that excite you and align with your career goals. Networking can also play a crucial role in finding job opportunities. Connect with other Flutter developers, join online communities, attend tech meetups, and explore developer conferences to expand your professional circle. During interviews, remember to be confident and showcase not just your technical prowess but also your passion for Flutter. Share your project experiences and how you overcame challenges, demonstrating your problem-solving abilities. So, go forth with determination, embrace new challenges, and let your passion for Flutter shine through every step of the way. Now you have gained your skills, built amazing projects, and prepared yourself for the future as successful Flutter developer. Now it's time to soar to new heights and make your mark in the Flutter community. Best of luck on your job search, and may your Flutter career be filled with endless possibilities and exciting adventures, and happy Fluttering.